Hey guys, this is Alex here with Epoxy ETC. I just wanted to take a minute to go over our product promotions in the month of April. Our Extreme Densifier, Shield, and Concrete Cleaner are all buy one, get one free in the month of April. All of these products are essential to anyone doing polished concrete. So I recommend you go jump on this deal as soon as possible. In addition to our buy one, get one free, we are also offering a free set of magnetic plates for any machine as long as you buy 4 sets of diamond. These magnetic plates fit on almost any machine, they come in any style, and they make your jobs a lot more efficient. If you have any questions about any of our products or sales, feel free to give us a call at 866-669-4650, and we'll be more than happy to answer any and all questions. Be sure to jump on these deals now because they won't last forever. Thank you.